Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from PayPal to BMO Bank. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To transfer money from PayPal to your BMO Bank account, first, log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, click on the wallet option at the top of the page. Look for the option to transfer money and click on it. Select withdraw from PayPal or transfer to bank account. Choose your BMO Bank account from the list of available accounts. If your BMO Bank account is not listed, you will need to link it. To link your account, click on Link a new bank account. Enter the necessary information, including your BMO Bank account number and routing number. Ensure the details are correct, then click Continue. PayPal may require you to verify your bank account. Check your BMO Bank account for a small PayPal deposit, which may take a few days to appear. Once you receive the deposit, log back into PayPal. Go to the Wallet section again and locate your linked BMO Bank account. Click on Confirm next to your bank account after verifying the deposit. Now, return to the Transfer Money section. Select your BMO Bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Click on Transfer. You will receive a confirmation once the transfer is initiated. Typically, the funds will arrive in your BMO Bank account within 1 to 3 business days. For any issues, reach out to PayPal customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.